What's going on, people of the YouTubes? We're doing, this is the Pitbike Adventures 3. So not gonna lie, I literally don't really know what I'm doing. As you can see all the way over there, oh, as we almost wipe out right there, the rain is coming again. It only rained a little, I think it was yesterday, but it's coming back. So we're getting out here, making the third Pitbike Adventures. Kind of just gonna mess around and I'll see what I'm gonna call this one. What the heck, dude? Are you kidding me? You're really gonna try and block that off? Alright, I tell you what, I haven't been back here in quite a little while. So, I remember I made that hill climb video, and that hill wasn't as steep as this, you know? It was the one, it was right over there, I think it was that one. But, not gonna lie, that hill is actually pretty steep, but you just can't really tell on camera, you know? But that hill is actually pretty steep, and this thing makes it up that fine. And here's the amazing view. I actually haven't been up here in a bit, you know? Like, now there's grass growing on all this, and look at how crazy the weeds are. But this is honestly a pretty sick place just to chill and hang out. Then there's like all this and stuff. You know, there's no way I can climb this hill, but I can do that one. But there's an amazing view, really good sunsets from up here. You can see like everything, you know? So, yeah. Honestly, I don't really know what to do for the adventures. I was trying to keep kind of some interesting things going, you know, like with the first one and the second one, and now I'm kind of just, I'm already out of ideas, but I'm just gonna screw around and just, you know, do whatever, I guess, because that's what this is about. You know what would be sick is a little jump right here. You know, if I brought a little shovel. You know what? Hang on. Well, that wasn't really a jump, but that thing is steep, okay? And I just went up that and this. So that gives you an idea. Holy crap. Oh, weeds. Bro, there's so many weeds out here now. I'm just gonna walk up here. Dude, you see that deer? He's a hill climber too. Come here, boy. And then he sees me, he's like, yeet, and just jumps the other way. Well, there really is nothing over here. So, that's cool. Oh, we made it. That was kind of exhausting. No feet down. We're going no feet down this hill. That actually worked. They try and block you off from getting out of here, but there's that person's house. And they get pretty mad. One time they tried to come out and talk to me, but I just rode off. Oh, branch to the knuckles. Oh, there's that rock. I know where this trail goes. I'm just gonna hit it though. Oh, that's a cool little trail. Add that to the inventory, or the map, I mean. The map inside of my head that keeps track of all the little trails. They got this whole thing staked off right here, which, oh, I think they're gonna take the road or something straight through this way. Which I kind of think I see a trail, so. Oh, frick. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, we do not want to go that way. I've been through here. You gotta watch out because there's like pretty big sticks sometimes just stuck in the ground right there. Alright. We're definitely gonna explore that area another time. The whole through there. You know, that entire area. That was pretty cool. You better watch out coming through here, sonny. This boy finna wreck. Like, I'm actually getting pretty good air off of these. Here's another trail. Oh. Yo, like, actually, I'd take these pallets right here, though. Like, that one pallet's looking pretty good right there. Okay, that almost flipped us. I have been through here once. The trail just cuts to the back of the other one that leads to that the like neighborhood, which is this one. Oh, buddy. My man's full sending it. Wow. And here we are at the back of the. This is where I got that broom, you know, and there's that helmet. Yo, look at how much stuff is there that I could probably actually use. Hang on. We're going dumpster diving. Oh crap, I don't want none of this getting stuck into my tire. Like, not gonna lie, but if all this is junk, I might literally bring the car and grab a bunch of these little PVCs and stuff, because my brother could actually use a bunch of these. Same with like this whole wheel thing and stuff for like the angle grinder. Like, a lot of the pipes are all busted and stuff, but like, look at here, a bunch of these you could just use, you know? Like, not gonna lie, you could put some use to a lot of this stuff, which I think like some of it they're always keeping, but this is definitely a junk pile. I'm not seeing too much good stuff, you know? What the heck is this? Huh. Oh, free glove. Oh, that's got some holes in it. Yeah, I might come back. Ooh, this might be the find of the day. Right here. Yeah, we'll take this home. Definitely needs the bolts tightened, but taking this home. Can put some rope on it, I don't know. We'll take this angle grinder disc too. Oh, do they have another one? Oh, that one's broken. We'll take this too. I mean, it'll work. It's a super thick disc too. My brother will like that. And oh, there's another one too. Hold up. Oh, these are for a nah, that'll fit. Yeah. Need some rebar or something. We already got a bunch of that in the barn, but definitely don't try this at home. Alright, so the loop from the junkyard pile was 2 angle grinder discs and a giant spool. So we're gonna put the angle grinder discs in our bag if they'll fit. Let me just see. They should fit fine. Yeah, they fit. We gotta get back. I think it's gonna rain and it's getting dark. But I really want to take this home. We're still taking this home. We're doing it one way or another, Sonny. There's gotta be a better way to do this. There we go. Oh, no, no, no. He's falling off. Can't let that happen. Okay. So give me this. Sticking it like this. And then we're gonna ride with it like this. And then our backpack is gonna be over it. Okay, this is really awkward, but not gonna lie, it actually works. So we're riding home like that. Oh, we hit that rock, so we just went flying. Dang it, my brother isn't here. Hang on. But we made it back and we got this. So, and the little 2 discs. So, pretty good finds today. And we'll see y'all boys in the next one.